to believe, with a lot of sympathy and empathy to him, that is not of sound mind. It's not of sound mind because young people of this country have enlightened themselves on political issues of this country. And they are talking about serious issues of serious graft in government, institutionalized and budgeted corruption in government. And even every single time that the president comes out to speak, he does not speak on the actions that the young people are saying. And I want to make it clear here to Mr. President that Article 131 of the Constitution defines the presidency as number 1, commander-in-chief, number 2, head of state, number 3, a symbol of national unity. Every single time you have spoken to people of Kenya, you have only spoken to the people of Kenya as a commander-in-chief, which basically means somebody who is overwhelmed with power for power's sake. Because Gen Zs are saying that, Mr. President, can you for once and for all dissolve and not reshuffle your government? So that if you dissolve that particular cabinet, then we can even have at least 5 Gen Zs entering cabinet because they understand the work of cabinet better than you. And you don't listen to them. These Gen Zs came to parliament in a constitutional order and a constitutional democracy. If the people come to parliament, the parliament ceases to exist. The government ceases to exist. It basically means that there is no confidence in both the government and parliament. Gen Zs are saying, resign and go. That's what Gen Zs are saying. You're not listening to them. And the people around you are also not listening. If Gen Zs had made their way into State House and defiled the State House and got into State House, one thing could have happened in this country. The president could have left the State House and the army could have taken over. If Gen Zs made it into parliament, they defiled parliament and got there because that is the house of the people. It goes without saying that the Speaker of the National Assembly should go. What is Wetangula doing in office? If Gen Zs made it to parliament, it goes without saying that the leadership of National Assembly, starting from Kimani Ichungwa, going to Sylvanus Osoro, going all the way to the people who wrote this budget, should go. What are they doing in parliament? If Gen Zs made it to parliament, it goes without saying that even the Speaker of the Senate should actually go. So if you don't listen to these Gen Zs, we are telling you they are people, they are our brothers, and they are our sisters who have suffered on the miasma of economic emptiness, and will stand with them to help them come for you and make you understand the real meaning of lack of confidence of the people of Kenya in you, your government, and the assembly that you bought and made ineffective in this country. I thank you all as I call my brother, Ndugu Mairi, who is the Deputy Governor of Migori County. Yerukamana Yajidalawa.